Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make text, superscript and subscript in Apple number sheet. Open your Apple number sheet and double click on this cell and drag your mouse, select your text. You have to make superscript and subscript. Now click on this format option and select cell option. Now click this more option. Here we will find this baseline default option. Click this down arrow option. Here we will find this superscript option. So we select superscript and see this text now created superscript. Also I'll make this text subscript. Same we click this more option. Here we will find this default position option baseline. Now click subscript and see this the text now subscript. In this way I'll make this text superscript. See this. Text with subscript. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.